Hey guys, I set my alarm for 6:30 on days that I don't work and I get up and I have some coffee and some quiet time. But this is me just already downstairs around like 7:15, getting some laundry going, waiting for the kids to make their way down so we can start school. Checking math from yesterday. Jet wants to come inside on this rainy day. So these are the vitamins my kids take. Nothing complicated. It's supposed to be just literally vegetables and then fruits in these little gummies. And so, the ingredients are like carrot, parsley, beet, garlic, all the different vegetables. And then these are the fruits, and it's supposed to help them get their serving of fruits and vegetables each day. Sophia probably wouldn't be a problem and might not even need these. The other two definitely need a little something. So they're these little gummies, and even if I wasn't totally sure of what they were doing, I do know that they keep them regular, if you know what I'm saying. So at least there's that. Here you go. And they taste good, right, bud? Mm-hmm. And there I am, not sure about this hair. What happened? So I'm gonna do sugar, maybe like, I guess this is like 3 tablespoons, maybe 4. And then some coconut oil, 2 tablespoons I think. And I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. And then I've got this citrus fresh oil that's going to smell so good when I put this on as like a face scrub, body scrub, all that stuff. I did like 8 or 9 drops of that. I need a little more coconut oil, it turns out. So let's get this all mixed up. And I guess maybe more coconut oil. Maybe I should have done like 4 tablespoons at the beginning. I have to just test this stuff out. That's more like it. So I'm going to go get a shower and use this on my face and body and then just exfoliate. I do this once a week. Samuel and I are having morning snack. He's having some yogurt. I'm going to have a banana, and he wants to get started on these Christmas books, so a little early.
But they have stickers on it and stuff like that.
Oh yeah. Open the window. This is something I do every morning. I just think it's cool to be able to look outside and see the weather and see how the day's going to be. And I always think, this is so dumb, but I always think, this house was built in 1950, and I'm always like, what was it like back then when they opened the window or the curtains and it was 1950? Like, what was the road like? What was the traffic like? What were the cars like? That's just me. I don't know. Okay, definitely in need of a haircut here. I'm gonna go and we're gonna finish school and then we'll eat some lunch.
Look at those muffin twins. Aww.
For my lunch today, I'm gonna have leftovers, which is this chili that I made the other night, and it's Rachel Ray. I'll link the recipe here. I'm gonna add some of this white cheddar that I chopped up to put on top. It is so good. I put some Fritos in it. It is so good. And then, this is gonna be dinner. It is looking so yummy.
Mimi's in the hammock. Being a cute.
Those nuts. This is seriously one of those lunch times where I was like, okay. Go outside. They were getting crazy. Okay, I'm back from getting my hair cut and I wanted to show y'all. Let me get into some better lighting. I just ordered some oils for some of my friends, these essential oils. So if you guys want any, DM me. I can get you some oils. And I also wanted to show you, in my last video, I was showing my husband working on the fireplace here, on tiling it. And this is the finished product. I thought it turned out so nicely. So pretty. I'm glad I went with the gray. Olivia opted for peanut butter, like always. So peanut butter on a cinnamon sandwich. Cinnamon bread, I mean. And Sophia, how is it? Very good.
We're gonna end today by going to youth group. See you guys tomorrow. Here's my cereal and my buttered sandwich for breakfast.
My kids brought this in from the garage. So I've told y'all that we take a break in homeschool for the host chat in Ryan and Kelly, but today John Stamos is on, so we're extending the break.
Snuggly babies. They're so cute. They're all nice and warm.
Okay, we finished schoolwork, we went to Dollar Tree and we stopped by Dunkin' Donuts, and now we're gonna go to guitar lessons for Sophia. This is this pumpkin that we got at the pumpkin patch last week, and I got these little green things at Dollar Tree because I think it looks weird just to have the tape right there, so I'm gonna try to put these green things around it and see what happens. Who knows? How about that for a little DIY during guitar lesson? Just kidding. I mean, it's tape. We should have had a hot glue gun to do it, but we're making it work. I love where Sophia takes her guitar lessons. It's really kid-friendly and cheerful, and I think it brings back memories for me because when I was her age, I was really into music, and it's just good memories. Well, the fun new thing is cracking walnuts. Watch your little fingers. Right, bud?
Yep.
told me she wants me to do a video of today for sure, because while they're at the hybrid school, she wants to know what I really do. So I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek into my secret life when they are at the hybrid school. I thought it was so funny. So tonight for dinner, we're gonna do rotisserie chicken and mashed potatoes, and then I'm gonna make this broccoli casserole. I'll insert a recipe here. I had to improvise with the cheese because I didn't have any shredded cheese, so I chopped up this white cheddar. We'll see how it goes. Potatoes are refrigerated, but I think they taste fine, and I try to make cooking as easy as possible. Okay, that's our vlog. I wanted to show you, this is what I do to get ready for work tomorrow. Got my lunch and my coffee ready and my scrubs. Well, we just finished cleaning up the kitchen after dinner. It was really good, and now I'm gonna get ready for work, and the girls are gonna go brush their teeth and go to bed. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please click that red subscribe button. And also, if you want to hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button, you'll know when we put up a new video, which is every Monday. Thanks, guys.
Bye. Bye.